Hi, everyone. My name is Ashley Gray, and I'm the channel marketing manager here at Premier 81. Today, we're joined by Andrew from Electric to go over how Premier 81's product helped their internal teams and also their customers as well. So, Andrew, I'll go ahead and let you introduce yourself and then also Electric.
Hi everyone, great to be here, Ashley, and thanks for having me. My name is Andrew Tynan, and I am the Director of Partnerships here at Electric. Electric is a modern IT solution providing support for SMBs all across the US. We have close to 1,000 customers and more than 50,000 end users that we provide management for. Electric solution encompasses both world-class proprietary software that allows our customers to simplify and empower their IT for their organization, as well as a robust services team that provides network management, SaaS and application management, and of course, device management.
Yeah, thank you for the introduction and introduction on Electric. So, I think we can kind of start from the beginning of the Premier 81 and Electric story. So I'd love to know when I guess you realized that you needed a solution like Premier 81, whether it's for your internal teams or clients. I guess kind of what was the first step in that process?
For us, that journey started right when the world shifted and a lot of our companies went from on-site to hybrid or fully remote workplaces. And of course, with that shift, we saw that our customers' ability to control how their employees were accessing the internet and accessing critical resources that they need to do their job changed quite significantly. And so we needed a solution that would allow Electric to provide a more robust security solution for our customers. And so we, yes, in 2020, started working with the Perimeter 81 team to provide the full suite of products that the Perimeter 81 team offers. And when it comes to how we approach our use of Perimeter 81, we think about it in two key ways. We have, of course, the deployment, and following that, the management of the solution for our customers. And we've built a standardized framework that allows customers to really quickly get access and value from the Perimeter 81 solution, and post deployment, make sure that their team is using it correctly, and the administrators are able to get the immediate value that they need for their organization.
Yeah, definitely. I think kind of going off what you said, as far as the product, were there any specific features that you looked at and you were like, this is what we have to need, like have to have for our customers? This is like a must have. I know you mentioned SWIG and the
Yep.
robust, like fast time to value. Were those the main features that you were like, this is a must have for when we're looking for a network security solution?
Yeah, one of the things that we know was really important to specific subsets of our customers was anyone that was using AWS or had cloud storage in whatever capacity. Um, they needed a solution that was able to connect their employees safely and securely to some of those solutions. So I think that that was a really important factor in how we were thinking about evaluation for a solution that would fit that need.
Yeah, that makes sense. And I think going back to your first point of like how you chose Pernod One and found us, I guess everybody's always concerned, when they get a new product, what does the onboarding look like? So
Yep.
did you guys, test out yourselves first and then you're like, okay, let me, now we're ready to pass it along to our customers, or was it like twofold? Did you do it at the same time? Just curious what that process looked like.
Yeah, when it comes to our evaluation of any solution, we have a number of key factors that we look at. One is how easily can our team deploy this solution at scale? And how easily can we set up our management console to allow us to manage multiple customers at scale. So ease of deployment and ease of management was a really critical criteria when we were thinking about Perimeter 81. And of course, there is the technical components and just the features that we know were going to be necessary for us to support customers on a variety of different requirements. So overwhelmingly, when we looked at Perimeter 81 compared to other solutions in this market, Perimeter 81 ranked highly across the board, and it made it a easy decision for us to work with the Perimeter 81 team. We initially started based on a kind of request or a gap that we identified for a customer. So we started rolling out to customers first. We did roll it out internally to Electric and our employees, both onshore in the US and offshore, and did so in like 3 hours when we experienced the Meraki outage. So it has it's serving both Electric and our customers.
Yeah, that's super great to hear. And I think it's Perimeter 81 is so beneficial because even now, like we are not, working at our physical offices, we're, in our homes. So I think being able to launch Perimeter 81 from your house to other employees across the world is a great benefit.
Mm.
So yeah, I think last question here is what has post-launch and onboarding, what has the impact the solution made on you as a person and your business and also like the company's business as well?
Yeah. Well, for Electric, it has allowed us to offer a more robust set of solutions to our customers. We provide network management. We are not in the business of network security. And so having the Perimeter 81 solution has allowed us to be more competitive with closing deals and more competitive with retaining customers, because as customers start to use the solution and as they start to leverage Electric with their usage of Perimeter 81, we become obviously a really critical part of their overall IT stack. And so we've seen an acceleration of adoption for Perimeter 81, and I think the outcome of that is improved retention, and of course we've been able to benefit from generating incremental revenue through the Perimeter 81 resale program, and that, of course, for any organization is important criteria. So the gains, from a business perspective have been very clear. From a customer perspective, the Perimeter 81 solution has, in its very nature, it's intuitive and easy to use. And that has allowed our customers to easily get value from the solution and do so without overly burdening the employee or the end user. And I think that's a challenge that any IT team has when they are thinking about rolling out something for the first time. There's always a fear that employees are going to have disruption to their day-to-day activities, and we don't find that to be the case with Perimeter 81. Once it's set up and once they're using it, it's very easy for end users to continue. So for our customers, it's given them the peace of mind that they're solving a security challenge, they're solving a productivity challenge without a huge impact on the day-to-day experience for the end user.
Yeah, definitely. I think a big feature is the agentless access as well. So it's like nice that an IT person can add this to your employees' computers and nobody even has to know. So that's, I think, a huge benefit as well.
Yeah, totally.
Well, thank you again for speaking today. And I know Primarity One loves having Electric as a partner, and I'm sure our relationship will continue to grow. But again, I want to thank you for your time and coming on here and basically speaking about Primarity One in such a positive light. Um, so yeah, thanks again.
Great to be here, Ashley.